Is creating scenes taking too long for you? Are you making small changes in each scene? Well, I've got a quick OBS or slobs trick that will work for you. Even though we prefer OBS here. My name is Papa Paws, and I'm gonna quickly show you a neat trick called nested scenes. I'll do a quick tutorial of it, show you why I use it, and you can see how many scenes I have nested. So how does one go nesting a scene? It's simple, it's easy, and we could do it together because I have faith in each and every one of you. Let's just do one that is simple. Many of you may be utilizing a camera and adding different filters to it. Well, let's show you how to nest that scene within other scenes. First things first, create a scene. Just for the sake of conversation here, I'm gonna rename this one Nested Webcam. One of the things that many of you may use is a webcam. So we're gonna nest a webcam, add plus, add video capture. We're gonna call this webcam. We're gonna configure our video up here. Custom resolution type. We're doing 1920 by 1080 because that is our source over here. I'll look very sharp. I haven't set up a camera in a long time and messed with any of the options. So obviously this is taking a little longer than it needs to. So I have the camera set up right now. Now I want to create another scene, but I also want to have this scene because I have all my, let's say I have multiple filters in here. I'll just add a filter for the sake of conversation. Let's say I have this filter. I made the room a little bit brighter. Boom. So I added all my filters. I want to create a new scene. We'll just call this gameplay. We're gonna go under display capture here. We don't want the OBS one. I have another monitor that we could use up top. Boom, and it's done. But the thing is, I made some nice edits to my camera in the other one. All we have to do now is hit the plus sign, go to scene, and hit nested cam. Obviously, we want to see both at the same time. I'll just move myself small in the corner. You want to make sure you're over the top of this one. And boom, we have a nested scene with the same options that we had within this scene. So we do not have to make any changes. You could use this for alerts. You could use this for mix it up, for cruise control, for whatever bots you're using. You could use this for your shout out commands. There's multiple uses for nested scenes because it makes things significantly easier. As you could see, I have many scenes nested. And the reason for this is it allows my workflow to be significantly easier. If I were to go to a scene simple like just chatting, which I do not have my camera on right now, you can see that each scene is nested within one scene. To conclude, nesting scenes just allows the workflow to go easier. Instead of spending hours and hours tweaking every little scene, you just need to fix one scene, and it will affect all the other scenes. If I knew this when I first started streaming, I would have not spent so many hours at my desk editing each individual scene. Do me a favor today, nest your scenes. If you want to know any other tips regarding OBS or streaming in general, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the noties if you want to see more tips or anything related to mental health. My name is Papa Paws. I want you to know that you are loved, appreciated, supported, and belong here. I'll see you later on this week.